and hope so you all are doing great. Today's video is gonna be very interesting because here in Europe I'm supposed to teach my foreigner friends how to cook Pakistani food. But today my friend from USA, he invited me and said come over to my house and I'm gonna make chicken curry and naan for you. I don't like cooking, so he knows I'm not gonna cook for him. But so that's why he invited me. Let's see how he's gonna make chicken curry and naan. Let's have a chat with my friend and I'm gonna ask him how he learned how to cook chicken curry.
Hey guys, my name is Matt. I'm a Fox friend. I'm making some chicken curry today.
And how did you learn this?
From my girlfriend. She's Finnish. So I'm making you curry today because Fox likes to eat a lot, but he doesn't know how to cook. So come with me. I'll show you my dough.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what he's cooking.
Some nice, it's flour, yogurt, and actually just a bit of water in it. I need it for quite long. Fox did too. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Like and subscribe, and wait till the end of the video to see Fox reactions.
Yeah. What are you gonna do with this?
Bro, naan.
Okay. Good. I was thinking of.
Don't be
Okay,
so
guys.
happy, okay, when I do
Let's see how.
Come under it. Oh, it's too. I need to make it on the roll. But it goes through it many times, and it makes it so nice. What? Don't put that into the video. Make it fucking small.
So, Matt, is it easy to make naan?
Sort of. It's not so. The ingredients are not hard enough. You just gotta make sure that you knead it out nicely. This makes it this Italian pasta machine, but it makes it much easier. But in the end, you don't get circular naan, you get square ones. But it tastes the same. I think. Because it's so hard to do it by hand.
Yeah. Oh, this time it comes up to this.
Yeah, nice. Now do you have the flour?
It smells good.
And then you put flour on it so it doesn't stick to itself. You do it 2 more times. Then you make it thinner. No one mentioned how fucking shit logo is. So
It looks really good.
yeah.
I don't know the taste. Mati, how much time you spent on this?
We spent like 3 hours.
Yeah. What was that?
It's a video now.
Okay.
Everyone just it was just I was filming it, guys. I'm moving this.
We are into zombies, you know.
Bro, I'm not gonna come from that everywhere. Oh, I won't kill you. But you can.
This is you?
No, man, I'm here. Bro, we see each other, we're like blue and colorful and stuff. Yeah, you see I'm all green and stuff. You can see me through the wall. Bro, come. You can buy more ammo if you need.
Hey, Benny. So this is our little friend Benny. Hey Benny.